Hello everybody, welcome back to my shop. So some time ago, my good friend Valerio reached out and told me, hey, would you like to make a collaboration video for YouTube? And I said, yeah, why not? Actually, this happened quite a number of months ago right now, so I am terribly sorry for being so late in releasing this video, but it's here right now. So Valerio has a YouTube channel where he uploads videos of himself either singing, because he's a very good singer, or drawing. He makes some really beautiful drawings such as this, or this one, and I really like them. So if you like them too, I suggest you go and check him out on his channel, which I will leave a link to here on the eye that it's going to appear right now on the corner, because it really deserves it. So when he first told me about this video, he asked me if I could make him a mechanical pencil that he could use in one of his drawings. So I thought, what better occasion to use some of this wood. This wood is koa. It's a variety of wood that only grows in the Hawaii, and he brought a piece of this back to me as a souvenir when he visited Hawaii with his family. So I thought it would be nice if I used a piece of this wood, and the result is this one. You will see it better in the final photo of the video. So for now, enjoy, watch the build video, and then immediately jump to Valerio's channel and watch his video where he makes a beautiful drawing with this mechanical pencil. Enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.